Hello. Today I want to share one incident that happened last year. I was lucky enough to know this guy's story. A boy, 20-year-old, was having headache every day for about 7 years. Can you imagine 7 years? He couldn't study well, attend classes due to his headache. His friend used to suggest him to visit doctor, but he thinks it's because of his myopia and is normal and ignores it. One day he visited the doctor, specifically psychiatrist. He started him on a medicine and his headache improved and disappeared in few days finally. Can you imagine the guy's happiness when he walked without headache after 7 years? Can you imagine how happy he was when he could study without headache? Yes, that's the reason we should study to be a doctor, a great doctor. So I guess it's clear why I am telling you this story. As a medical student, our life is hard. We go through tough times, doing assignments, reading for exam, then clinical postings. We have to go through a lot. Now this story is something that always motivates me to be a good doctor. Whenever I feel frustrated and think, why did I choose this medicine field to be a doctor?